celebrating the fact that our children are back to school after a long period of schools being shut because of the COVID-19 pandemic that had swept across the country. We are celebrating because World Vision has been actively working with the government as well as local authorities to make sure that we contribute towards the preparations for reopening of schools.
We used to share classes. You find that two teachers teaching the same class, only separated by a plywood. It was not easy before World Vision came in. They gave us 4 extra classes, and that brought a lot of changes.
In Isiolo, World Vision has constructed 2 schools with adequate classrooms to make sure that children are socially distanced when they go back to school.
We got 120 desks. These 120 desks for the new classes, which they have constructed, has really assisted us because right now, in this pandemic of COVID-19, children are seated 1 desk, 1 child in each class.
The partnership with the World Vision is within the policy of private partnership in provision of education. We had a very good partnership in enhancement of the environment of the school in terms of the space for curriculum implementation. With the increase in number of the classrooms, we were now able to maintain the social distancing as advocated by the Ministry of Health.
We had a new construction of new classes, and we felt so happy. We even felt like we are the luckiest people in all Isiolo County.
Tunashukuru sana, tunaenjoy sana kuwa na class mpya. Na feel vizuri hata tunaelewa vile mwalimu anasema. Sasa tunaenjoy sana kuwa kwa class smart.
We are also working to make sure that children have access to masks. So those masks are being distributed to make sure that children are protected, because wearing mask and masking up is one of those preventive measures that is critical to make sure that children are safe and they are healthy while they are in school and they are not infected. We have also built toilets at these schools with hand washing facilities so that children have access to clean water and soap so that they can constantly wash their hands to make sure that they also protect themselves from infection. One of the things that we are also celebrating today is the fact that vaccines have now been discovered, and they are being rolled out in different countries, including developing countries like our country through the COVAX mechanism. We're expecting Kenya to also receive some vaccines. This will go a long way in making sure that communities, including children, are protected and that children are able to stay in school.